Hey y'all, so if you want to see how I got my skin smooth and glowing, as well as my hair moisturized and soft, stay tuned. Okay guys, so after a long work week, you're tired, you're exhausted, and you neglected yourself for the entire week. So usually by the weekend, I look crazy. Skin dry, face dry, hair dry, just everything dry. So I like to participate in something called Self-Care Sundays. So today I will be doing so with sister products. Yes, Sister Products sent me some of their products to review, and I am happy to have received them. I got 7 items in this cute little black box, and I'll be going through them with you guys. Alright y'all, so first we're going to go in with the Shine Hair Mask. So this is a clay mask that contains clay, lanolin, water, activated charcoal, pumice, rice bran, grapeseed oils, emulsifying wax, essential oils, and a preservative. So as you can see, the consistency is very smooth, and you could apply it to wet or dry hair. So I just wet my hair a little bit with warm water just to make sure that it went on a lot smoother, and it definitely helped. So there I am applying it to my hair, and I'm just going from roots all the way down to the ends and making sure that I get every single strand. So once I'm done with each section, I'm just going to take some and apply it to areas that I may have missed, so my edges and some parts in the back. And after that, I'm going to apply my plastic cap on top. And it says to leave it in for 10 to 20 minutes. I actually left it in for 30 minutes. And they do advise to leave a warm towel on top just to help it penetrate better. And you do not have to wash it out with shampoo. You could just use water. So this is what it's looking like after 30 minutes. As you could see, some of the mask absorbed into my hair. And here I am just rinsing it out with water. And y'all, when I say my hair was soft, like, guys, you could see I could run my fingers through my hair strands. That usually doesn't happen when I wash my hair or condition it. And you could see the curls were popping, y'all. I was just like, I fell in love with this mask. So after using this mask, it became easily my favorite product so far. But yeah, guys, so I rinsed it out and I twisted up the section, and then I moved on to the other sections. So this is what it looks like after I rinsed everything off. And guys, do you see the shine? My hair felt so moisturized and so soft. I was like, whoo. So the next product is the Rebirth Body Scrub. So this exfoliating body scrub contains soap, olive oil, water, shea butter, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, activated charcoal, and preservative. So this is the texture. It's very thick and it has little beads that help to exfoliate. And what I'm doing is just applying it to my wet skin, and I'm doing it in a circular motion to help with the exfoliation. And y'all, look how shiny it makes my skin. Like, just glowing, guys, glowing. So after rinsing off the scrub, I'm following up with the Artesian Soap. Now this is a handmade soap that contains different types of oils, and y'all, this became my second favorite after the Shine Hair Mask. It just lathered up so nicely, and the fragrance, it smelled so good, and it just felt so soft on my skin. I just fell in love with it. So I'm just showing you how I'm applying it, and I won't show you the full thing. I'm gonna go ahead and wash the rest of my body and then come back once I'm done. Voila! So this is what I looked like once I rinsed everything off. My skin felt so nice and soft and moisturized. Ooh, that soap was bomb, y'all. So now we're gonna follow up with the face and the hair. Let's go. So next up, we're starting with the Firm Anti-Wrinkle Face Cream. So this contains ingredients such as grapeseed, rice bran oils, shea butter, jojoba and sweet almond oil, turmeric, hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, and emulsifying wax. And y'all, if you know turmeric, you know that it helps with dark spots. And if you can't tell by my face, I do have a couple of dark spots, so I knew that this would be bomb in helping me fade those bad boys, okay? So I'm just applying it all over my face and also on my neck because, you know, we gotta prevent the wrinkles on the neck as well. And y'all, this became like my third favorite product. And you know it's important for every self-care treatment to not forget the feet, y'all. So I'm going in with the Path Foot Cream. As you can see, it has a creamy consistency that's also very oily as well, which is good because, you know, we got to prevent the ash. It contains water, shea butter, grapeseed, palm, sweet almond oils, lanolin, and beeswax. The directions say to apply it and then put on socks, which makes sense because it keeps in the moisture. So as you can see, I'm just applying it to my feet and adding the socks. And I like to end my care regimen with my hair. So y'all, I am still amazed by that mask because my hair still felt soft even after drying it with my towel. Like, and the shine is there. I was just, I was in love, y'all. And no one could tell me anything different. So as you could see, my hair was shiny, it was bouncy, it was fluffy. Some of the curls were showing even though there was no product. So yeah, love. So after applying a leave-in off camera, I'm going in with the Astonish Hair and Scalp Oil. So it contains olive oil, castor oil, palm oil, shea butter, glycerin, lanolin, sweet almond oil, and other essential oils. And so the directions are to apply to wet or dry hair. As you can see, I'm applying it to damp hair. And then you can apply it to your hair or scalp. For me, I just applied it to the scalp, and I also focused on my problem areas like my edges and above my ears on each side. So lastly, I'm going in with the Magic Hair and Scalp Cream. It contains palm, pumice oil, shea butter, lanolin, sweet almond oil, glycerin, and essential oils. And as you can see, the consistency is very thick, y'all, which I love because I like to use it at the end of my lock method. So I'm just going to rub some in my hands and then apply it to my strands. And y'all, when I tell you this sealed in the moisture, like I fell in love again. These products are so great, guys. I was just amazed, no lie. And this stuff is the business. It is magic indeed, y'all, because my hair stayed moisturized in the twist that I put them for days, y'all. Days. So I'm just going to go ahead and detangle, and then I'm going to do the same thing to the rest of the sections. So guys, I want to let you know that this company does make handmade products, and they're 100% natural, and you know that's good to feed your hair with natural products, stuff that won't harm your hair, that won't break your hair. You know what is going into your hair. That's very important. So I want to say thank you to Sister Products for sending me these products, and everything will be linked down in the description box below, the company's name, the website, the Instagram, all of that, so you could get your stuff from Sister Products. And it would be a good Mother's Day gift. As you know, Mother's Day is coming up, so you can help your mom have a nice self-care Sunday with Sister Products. And as you could see, my hair and my twists were soft and shiny and moisturized, and I just love it. So that's the end of my video, guys. Thanks for watching.